Will Coinbase support for Ripple influence XRP price? Let's dive into this right now because XRP and Ripple, it seems like it's always in the news. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, Coinbase Inc. or Incorporated joining a long list or a growing list of cryptocurrency supporters who have filed papers in favor in Ripple or of Ripple in the blockchain company legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Now, Coinbase requested U.S. District Judge Torres to allow a jury to hear Ripple's claim that the business was not informed that XRP was an unregistered securities and a proposed brief. Now, in the request, Coinbase claims that the SEC has not kept up with the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency sector. According to the filing, the current SEC administration has attempted, look at this, has attempted to broaden the SEC jurisdiction over the cryptocurrency industry through an ad hoc enforcement action that claim retroactively that already trading digital assets previously perceived by the market to be a commodity, to commodities related by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission or, CFTC, or other non-securities or actually securities subject to SEC regulations. So what does this all mean? It does mean that Coinbase is supporting Ripple, but we have to see what happens down the road. However, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong made fun of Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, and he did do this, who implied that Armstrong has been endorsing tribalism while fighting it. Now, according to a Monday U Today article, XRP Ledger may soon allow native non-fungible coins, NFTs. So that's very, very interesting here. So Ripple is garnering much needed support. It's good that they got Coinbase support with a long list of cryptocurrency support here. We will see what happens down the road with this whole lawsuit and the support from other exchanges. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.